Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today on Fitness Tech Reviews, we're going to be going over the Galaxy Buds Live. So it is Samsung's newest Galaxy Buds. These do have active noise cancellation, and also they look like little beans. So that's cool. Do not plant them in the... No, I'm not going to get into a Jack and the Beanstalk joke. But let's go ahead and get right into that unboxing. We're going to need for that unboxing, take a sliver off these pieces of plastic. Nice. Got our case right here. Open that guy up. It's nice and slick. Then we also have our cables. So it's really only one cable. It's going to have our USB Type-C. So this, of course, not coming with a USB brick. Would love more bricks, but I know a lot of electronic waste and we want to stay down low on waste, so that's perfectly fine. Then we also have some extra little things for the earbuds as well. And at the top of the case, you'll see, get away, it's going to come with all of its literature as well, but let's put that all to the side. Let's go ahead and get this guy all paired up. I got a Samsung Galaxy Note 10, as you guys know. Probably going to open it right up and it's going to recognize it. Yep, there it is. Timothy's Galaxy Buds. Setting it up on my phone. Cool, cool, cool. All relatively easy. App installed. Letting me know how to wear the earbuds. That's where the actual microphone is, those 12 millimeters. So you're going to be putting that piece of that microphone into the bottom of your ear. And gives you a little notification just like your other Samsung Galaxy Buds once you put them into your ear. Cool, cool, cool. Got all that. All right, all set up. I'm going to get right into a little bit of a podcast. Been doing a little bit of fantasy football type stuff, so I'm going to get into that. Sounds pretty good. All good. But what I'll be doing the next couple days is I'm going to be going to review over these guys, see if it's something that will be good for you guys and good for your workouts. But I'll be seeing you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, and we're back. So, just a little bit of testing with these Samsung Galaxy Buds. Going over you, see what it's all about. First thing you want to do is get into those specifications. First one of those specifications is they have 12 millimeter drivers. Those are going to be a little bit bigger. They're also tuned by AKG, so it's going to be a little bit more bass heavy for those bass heads out there, and especially for something that doesn't have a seal, it works pretty well. We also have 3 microphones, 2 outer, 1 inner. This is going to help with that active noise cancellation. It's going to also help grab your voice when you're talking on the phone. It also has a 60 milliamp hour battery. That's going to translate to 8 hours of battery time with 29 hours total battery time with the actual case. If you use an active noise cancellation, it's going to drop down to 6 hours of playback and 21 hours with the case total. Again, talking about that, it does have active noise cancellation. We'll be going into that a little bit later in the video. This guy also has Bluetooth 5.0, so the most up-to-date Bluetooth, so it's going to give you the biggest range and all of that. It also has IPX2 water and sweat resistant, so you don't want to use these guys in either a rain or a really sweaty workout. We're talking about a really long run if you sweat a lot, but if you don't sweat too much, especially around the ears, you don't have to worry about it too much. Hey guys, don't forget we also have wireless power share on this guy. All you gotta do is put it onto something that has wireless charging, put it right onto its center spot. Look, it is charging, nice and solid. Alright, going with the design. So the case right here is a nice and sturdy case. This hinge is pretty sturdy with a nice little solid closing sound. Also, these guys are magnetically connected, but they will still pop out if you aren't too careful, so definitely make sure to be careful about that. They are open-eared, so there is going to be a little vent for some air to be getting out, so if you are a little bit claustrophobic with those ones that stick into your ear, this is going to be a little bit more comfortable for you guys. They're also relatively light with this shine. So there's a shine on the case and there's also a shine on the buds themselves. I don't know if you can see that through here, but there's a relative shine on the front with a matte finish on the back. I'm more inclined for a matte finish overall in general. The shine gives a little bit more extra, but it's not a big deal. When it's on your ears, it's actually relatively low profile. And I'm looking straight on, you're not really gonna see it too much, but of course you're gonna see it when I turn my head. All right, let's go ahead and get into the app. So when I go over to my Galaxy Wearable app, it gives me everything I need. I got my equalizer. I can turn on my active noise cancellation here. I like my bass boost or dynamic. If I'm talking about listening to my podcast, I go more dynamic. But if I'm going to be listening to music, I like more of a bass boom. You could change your touch controls. So just a tap is going to play or pause. A double tap is going to go to next track or end your call, answer or end your call. And then when you do a triple tap, this is going to go to your previous. And a touch and hold is a user's choice in the settings, or it's going to be declining a call. The touch and hold can be different on both ones. If you want to do it on the left, voice command, volume up, or Spotify, that works great. Or on the right, same type of thing, volume up, volume down with a touch and hold. And not just a couple other things in the app itself, like Find My Earbuds, you can hit that, and if these guys are relatively far away, they're going to start chirping a little bit. There you go. You hear it. Only one of those buds are out. And it just gets a little bit louder, so that's going to be a little bit helpful to make sure that you guys have those earbuds around, not going to lose them. You have your labs in here, so this is going to help in gaming if you want to use it for gaming to reduce that latency and reduce the pressure of ambient noise and all that. And you can go into your advanced setting. You can wake up Bixby with a voice command. That's up to you if you want to use Bixby. I'm a big Samsung fan, but Bixby, not so much. Let's go ahead and get into the active noise cancellation of these buds. Alright, with this active noise cancellation, as you can tell, I have a little airplane noise in the background. We'll see how this sounds with that airplane noise. Alright, this is test number 1 with the Galaxy Buds with a little bit of airplane noise in the background. Let's see how that sounds. Alright, this is test number 2 with the AirPods 2. Again, they're about the same price as the Galaxy Buds Live, just seeing how that noise cancellation is with a little bit of airplane noise in the background. Alright, this is test number 3 with the Galaxy Buds Live, the Beams. Again, you only need one of these guys. Hopefully this took a little bit of that airplane noise away. Let's see how it sounds. Even though that was a little bit more of a test of the mic quality, but that's pretty much what you're going to expect as far as active noise cancellation is concerned. If you are going to be in a bus, in a car, on a plane, it's going to help with take out that low droning noise when you're listening to music. This is awesome, even though you don't get the passive noise cancellation you do when you have to plug your ears. What my recommendations are: I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for something that's a little bit more stylish. I'm a big fan of the way it looks. And if you're just going to be listening some music, light music, or even podcasts around the house. As far as workouts are concerned, that's why we came here, Fitness Tech Review. I will only really consider this on shorter workouts, and of course when it's not raining. I would not recommend these guys when it's raining, which can take away a couple of our workouts, especially working out a lot outdoors these days. I would either recommend the Galaxy Buds, which I have here, or even the Galaxy Buds Plus, which is going to give you that better mic quality, because these old Galaxy Buds, the mic quality isn't that great. On that, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this video and smash that like button. But as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. See you guys in the next one.